welcome back to my channel. Now, today is a double duty. We're going to do a mukbang for the first time ever of McDonald's, and we are also testing out this new lipstick that I got. It's going to be fire. So, McDonald's, super simple today, but it's all my favorites. Double cheeseburger. Medium fry. And of course, your girl gotta get that Big Mac in and a Coke. So, it's kind of a huge epic cheat meal for me. And we're just gonna get into it. Now, I'm also gonna do some questions and answers and just some random talking, so I apologize. If you're not into talking and you just want to see me eat and see this lipstick work, you can go ahead and, just mute, but keep watching because I'm pretty entertaining. First. Oh my god. I don't know if anyone else thinks this, but I think that McDonald's Coke is a special recipe and that they do something special to it, and I still haven't figured it out. And I used to work at McDonald's. It was actually one of my first official jobs. Besides, I think I did newspaper and, a newspaper delivery and a babysitter is what I've done. What's your first job? Why don't you comment down below. Now, this cheeseburger, oh my god. So, obviously, this is, new. Doesn't look like the advertisement, but it's gonna look amazing. Oh my god. And normally, I get a ring of transfer anytime I eat a burger, but as you can look and see, no ring of transfer. Let's check the cup. Did you know every time someone drinks, it goes in the cup? I even slid my lips a little bit. Just want to give you guys a little just proof that this is working. But just going in on this. So, I eat McDonald's every couple months because my husband does not like McDonald's. I don't understand why he doesn't like McDonald's. If he has a preference of when we do eat fast food, which I want to say we eat, go out to eat once a week. Or if I'm filming or shooting, it'll be twice. His favorite is I say Wendy's. He loves Chick-fil-A, obsessed with Chick-fil-A, and of course Popeyes. Mine is of course McDonald's, and this is when I'm having a rough week. I just need to freaking have a moment, a little foodgasm. This hits the spot. I think it's mostly nostalgia. Now the other thing I got is a good old sweet and sour sauce. When they used to have it for free and in that large pumps inside, I would be obsessed and go get it. But they were kind enough, even though I didn't have fries, to go give me some. Is hitting the spot. I twirl it around so then I get that nice scoopy. Alright, now the thing that's gonna really push the makeup. Let's see. No transfer there either. A1 so far. Now the Big Mac. Oh my god. Look at all this cheese dripping. Either someone messed up with aligning it, which I'm not mad at because I love the cheese on the side, or it's just that fresh and hot. I think it's just that fresh and hot. Yeah, they are on it today. So, I also want you guys to comment below, like, what's your cheat meal? Like, your favorite cheat meal? Like, something that you're like, I'm having a rough week. I know some people, it's like iced coffee. Or some people like sweets. I crave beef. It's awful. But I'm also originally from the Midwest. So I feel like beef and game animal, I'm all about it. It was so weird. I'm like, game animal? Yeah. So, I love venison. Steaks, jerky, love it. So I guess I'm more of a red meat eater. Like, I'm not super obsessed with pork. I like ribs, but I'm okay with, like, someone's like, you can't eat pork for the rest of your life. I'm like, alright. Maybe miss bacon, but love red meat. And also seafood. Like, I didn't realize until the last 2 weeks that I am not obsessed with it. And I know a lot of people are. A lot of people are like, oh my god, look at that shrimp. I'm like, that looks nice. And I keep it rolling. Like, I'll have a little bit if it's something that's there. But I'm not obsessed with seafood. Except for Cayman Islands. So, I went to Cayman. I want to say, it's almost 2 or 3 years ago. It's incredible, crazy how time flying has. I also have a problem where I stutter my speech, so forgive that. But oh my god. So there was some amazing jerk chicken and then amazing fried fish from my grandparents. Amazing. Okay. Now, I love that too. I love it. I hate, like, I can't do that around a lot of people. You get such twisted mind. Like, alright, so I kind of have a dirty mind as well, but I know when to put a lid on it. Or, like, at least around certain people. You know when you, like, have to hide half of who you are? That happens a lot. So, anyone that really, really, really knows me, I'm incredibly vulgar. Like, profanity is another language of mine. I can't even help it. Like, it just fits in. But for some reason, I know when to lock it up, though. So, if there's people or don't feel comfortable with swearing, you can kind of tell. And you don't swear. It's just a respectful thing to do. I also don't swear when I'm in an argument. If I swear when I'm in an argument, you push me too far. Like, just swearing is disrespectful. But in common joking, I swear. Can't even help it. The other thing is I sing a lot. Like, obsessively. Like, if you're walking next to me and I'm singing, I'm doing one of two things. One, there's a song stuck in my head that I can't get the out of it. Like, it's there. The other thing is I'm actually really stressed out. So when I was younger, one of my counselors that I worked with, she gave me that advice. She noticed that I was having a rough time and wasn't coping well with it. And she pulled me aside, and it was right next to like a really big lake. Sorry. Keep you in suspense. And she had told me something very private about herself, something that she went through and how she coped. Her coping mechanism was bodies of water. So she would take a shower and let everything run over her. That's her coping mechanism. So she told me to use singing as mine. So I sing a lot. So for anyone who's heard me sing, I apologize to your earlobes and to your eardrums and to your cochlears and your just anything. I feel like I'm not going through an anatomy lesson. I'm sorry. I'm apologizing in advance. But I'm not apologizing for singing. I think that I need to get it out. Or I could just be angry all the time. Which is funny because anytime I'm down, people tell me, oh, why are you not smiling? What's wrong? Like I'm not allowed to be human or something. Well, listen. If someone tells you that you're not allowed to express an emotion that is a natural thing, like sadness, being hurt, tell them to screw off. You're allowed to experience and feel what you feel. Now, granted, where you feel it is a different story. If you're in the middle of a mall, might not be the best place to cry, but you're allowed to feel that emotion. It took a bunch of people telling me that it was okay to feel that emotion. So if you need to hear from somebody today and you're watching this video, and this is me and you talking, just you and I, you're allowed to feel that emotion. Mama Jasmine's giving you permission. And own it. Own that emotion. But don't let it control you. You feel it, and then you move on to the next one, because it's going to be probably hunger. Yeah, that's it for today's video. See you soon. Bye. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you haven't seen the previous video, go ahead and click on the box next to me. If you haven't already subscribed and this is your first time to the channel, the little logo down there, you go ahead and click on that and you're a part of the team. Now, see you in the next video. Bye.